Shalom! Today, I will show you how to make a pencil holder out of recycled materials. We will need an old ice cream tub, wallpaper stickers, used gift wrapper, stickers, pair of scissors, and glue. These are the steps in making a pen holder. First, put the black wallpaper sticker in the ice cream tub. I had already cut it earlier. Then, I will put my old sticker name tag. After that, I am going to put the stickers and used gift wrapper that I also cut earlier into triangles to add some more design. This is it, my simple pencil holder out of recycled materials. Recycling gives many benefits to our environment. By recycling our waste materials, we create a healthier place for ourselves and the future generations. Recycling waste materials is crucial for environmental protection, conserving resources, and reducing pollution by reusing materials, lessening the need for extracting new resources, and saving energy. Meanwhile, we also learn about constructing, troubleshooting, and repairing simple gadgets and appliances in our home. We have to take note of these five safety and health practices in making gadgets. These are: 1. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris, chemicals, and other hazards. 2. Ensure your work area is clean, organized, and well lit. 3. Always disconnect the power source, unplug, before working on any electrical gadget or circuit. 4. Avoid DIYs. Inspect tools and cords for damage before use and avoid using extension cords as permanent replacements for outlets. And 5. Have a first aid kit readily available in case of injuries, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about a task. Thanks for watching, and bye!